Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your boomer consumer, and today we're looking at the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 active noise cancellation headphones. Now, as a disclaimer, I paid for these with my own funds, and no one has reviewed this video prior to my posting. So now that we got that out of the way, when you start talking about noise canceling headphones, you can spend $200, $300, $400 more on a set. So and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to refer to it as the Life Q20s. When this came on my radar for under $60, and by the way, at the time of this recording, you can get $10 off. It puts them under $50. And I do have my affiliate link posted down below if you're interested in picking up a pair for yourself. When these came across my radar, I had to check them out for you, because if they work as advertised, and they are very highly rated, these could make an excellent addition to your audio gear. So let's check these out. So let's go over the specs of these. High-res sound quality. So typically, a lot of headphones will have a frequency response of between, say, 20 and 20 kilohertz. These actually start out at 16 and then go up to 40 kilohertz, which is, a huge amount of headroom in the high frequency response. Active noise cancellation. So what Anker does with these is that they use two microphones and their own proprietary algorithm to cancel up to 90% of the noise, or I should say cancel out up to 90% of the noise. And that is huge, especially when you get into that, budget friendly price range. Bass up technology, what that really means is as you're listening to music, it's also listening and will boost the bass by up to 100% based on its algorithms to make a more dynamic and more pleasurable listening experience. You have 40 millimeter custom drivers in these headphones, and then you have up to 40 hours of playtime with these, and they're saying up to 600 songs before you need to recharge these. You have memory foam ear cups with these. You get a foldable design. There's an auxiliary mode that allows you to listen to the headphones while it's charging. You still get the features such as noise cancellation. That's all there in the auxiliary mode. And then you have Bluetooth 5.0. And finally, the whole thing's just weigh 9.3 ounces. They're foldable. And so we're going to go ahead and unbox these. Let's take a look and see what you get in the box. It just slides out there. Get these open. Go ahead and lay this down. All right. And okay. There we go. All right. So first thing we get is a user manual wrapped in plastic. We're just going to go ahead and set these off to this side. A really, really nice case with the Soundcore logo on there. Soundcore is, if you're familiar with Anker at all, they're best known, I think, for their power banks. But Soundcore is their audio division. So you have this really nice pouch in here to keep your headphones. And there they are. And here is your 3.5 millimeter cable. Okay, very nice. Looks like they are gold plated. And then you have your Type A to micro USB for charging. I wish everybody would get on with USB Type C as opposed to continue to use the micro USB connector, but oh well. It is what it is, as they say. And we're going to get the headphones out. And these are the star of the show right here. Wow. I like that they fold. These actually feel quite sturdy. They truly do. There's a little bit of tape on there. We'll get that off of there. There's your ear cups. Check that out. One thing I like to test is the stretchiness of the headband. Oh yeah. All right. Nice thick padding on the headband. Little soft. I think maybe it could be a bit more cushy, but not bad. We're going to find out when I try these out. And then you have your memory foam ear cups on here. Marked L for left. I'm assuming R for right. Both marked inside of the ear cups, and then also markings on the side here. On your right ear cup, this is where you would plug the 3.5 millimeter cable into, your micro USB charging port. You have these three buttons. The one in the middle is a multi-function button. We'll get into that in just a second. The minus sign, previous track, plus sign would be next track, long press, volume up, short press, long press on the minus sign, volume down. Now, this will change your equalization with the multifunction button by tapping it twice. We'll put it into the bass boost mode. So you have the bass boost, and then tap it once again, and then that would put it into normal equalization. You also can use these to answer and hang up a phone call with as well. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pair these up with my iPad, and then we're going to give a listen to it, and I'll give you my opinion of these. And don't go away. I'll be right back. And I'm back. 2 hours of listening to music, movies, videos on YouTube. I'll tell you, I was really surprised about how great these sound. They're not kidding about high-res audio. I have heard headphones that cost significantly more not sound anywhere as good as these. Easy to pair. All you have to do is press and hold this power button for 5 seconds, and then you pair right up with it. Very simple to do. The active noise canceling is very good. Better than expected, actually. This will block out almost all of that kind of mid-range type of sounds, like an engine's background noise. Dramatically reduces it. You get some peace and quiet. And as a boomer, I can definitely respect peace and quiet, but I also enjoy listening to music. Here's the thing about hybrid noise canceling. Many of them use an internal microphone, and what that does, it kind of doesn't help the sound of the music that much. Yeah, it makes it quieter for the background noise, but then if you have an external microphone, it just does the opposite. But when you put the two together with the right algorithm, wow, the music does not get affected with the active noise canceling going on with these things. Very, very nice. The memory foam is nice and soft. My ears didn't get hot listening to it for a couple hours. They will on all over-ear headphones. It eventually will happen. The build quality is good. Could it be better? They spent the money where it really counts. I think that all in all is good build quality. They're going to last you a good long time. They're a solid value in a space that's predominantly handled by much more expensive products. There you have it. So you get the comfort, you get fantastic sound, good noise canceling going on with this thing, and you're getting real value for around $60. It's hard to beat. I just don't see really beating these for this price tag. But I want your opinions in the comments down below. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.